Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be attempting to cut my hair a little bit. My hair is very long at this point and I really can't afford to go to a salon right now because of the situation. And I really need to do something about my hair. As you can see, it's not in a great condition. It's just long and I don't want to hold on to the length just by keeping my hair unhealthy. Now, to maintain your hair health, I hope all of you know that you have to at least keep trimming your hair periodically, and I've not done it for over a year since this pandemic situation started. So that's what I'm going to be attempting today. Now, before I start, I just want to share a little bit about my hair. My hair is kind of wavy, curly kind of hair, and it's thin and it's fine. So it's low density basically, and I have fine hair. So I don't have a lot of hair basically. So and I did get my hair cut professionally in April last year, and it was about this much, I guess, up till here, and you will see how long it is now. We'll go back a little bit. Yeah, it's here. So I do need a haircut right now. So that's and you can see how frizzy it is, and I'm kind of losing a lot of definition because of the length, and it's pretty obvious. I mean, those of you who have wavy or curly hair would know that and the longer your hair is, the less definition you have. If you have like coarser hair, high density hair, maybe it's different, but I really don't have that. I don't know how that feels to have coarse hair. This is my hair. So anyway, I can't do anything about it. This is my first time. I don't know how to cut hair. I'm not a professional. I'm just going to cut my own hair, and since I have had a cut before, I got a cut last year, I'm just going to follow through that. Clip everything else at the back, and let's just work with these sections at this point. Let me just, I don't know if there's a right way to do this. I'm sure there is, but I'm not an expert, like I said, and I'm not an hairstylist, so I don't really know what's the right way to do this. So I'm just going to do one thing. I'm just going to cut some length off of this section first, like this section first, and then I'm going to use this as a reference to cut this side. I think that's makes more sense. So I'm just going to take my scissor. So this much should be okay, like this much. So I've cut about this much, and then what I'm going to do is take off the same amount from this section. In case they're uneven, I'll try to fix it whichever way I can. So what I'm going to do is, just so it doesn't look very straight, I'm just going to do some cuts, like these cuts that I've seen people do, just so it doesn't look very even. I'm just going to open the rest of my hair that I had flipped at the back, and then I'm going to now move on to the next section. So this pretty much looks like the same length, and I just want to cut the hair, only those hair together which are of the same length. So go section by section. So I'm just going to cut this much. Right now, because there's so much frizz and there's like no curling happening, might look a little long, and I'm pretty sure when I style it tomorrow, and maybe I'll make a video on that too, it's gonna look quite short, I'm pretty sure. It usually just curls up. So that should be enough. Now I am going to take these again and clip them again at the top, and then maybe pick up the second last layer. So I realized even the last section had some smaller pieces, so that's what I'm trying to cut here. I'm just trying to make them as even as I can. It was odd. I didn't expect that even the longest section will have smaller sections. So I'm just trying to make them even here, and then I'll tie this part up and then go about the length of my hair, like the longest layer. This is actually the longest section. So I'm just first starting off with, I just hope I don't mess it up. I'm just going to start with very little, taking out very little. Took off this much, and I'll see if it's uneven. It is, like, see, there's this one. And looks okay. Then I'll take this as reference for this section. Okay, so I cut off quite a bit, and I hope I have made it all even. So let me just take my hair out of these clips, and we'll see what it looks like. There's a lot of hair on the ground right now, some over here. Yeah, this is my hair. My hair is fine, like I said. It gets really naughty. This looks not bad. So yeah, see, I found these sections which were part of the first section that I cut off, and they were not done. So I'll just take that out. Looks pretty okay. So I'll just bring my hair in front section by section, and we'll see what needs to be fixed, or whether it even needs to be fixed. I think this is an extra piece right here. I will cut this. Cool. And then adding more sections, and then the last section. Yeah, I think I'm done. So that's the finished look. I'm going to stop here. I don't want to cut any more of my hair now. I think this much length looks totally fine, and actually it didn't turn out that bad, frankly. So that's it for this video. I'm just keeping this length for now. My intention was to just include you in this process, so you can at least learn something, or if you want to attempt it, you'll have this might help you a little bit. So I just hope I could give you some tips on how to do it yourself. This was my first time too, and it didn't really turn out that bad. I'm sure it's not going to look perfect, and it's not looking perfect, but it's fine. You're doing it at home at no cost, so it's fine. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share it, you can. That's totally up to you. And if you like this video and you found it helpful, do not also forget to subscribe if you are new. If you have already subscribed, then you can of course give a like and share this video. If you have any suggestions or anything that you would like me to post in future, don't forget to write your comment in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.